Without all of these 3 key values, life as a pen spinner will be bleak and you'll definitely plateau at a mediocre level. With a deep understanding of these 3 key values I'm about to share in this video, your improvement will skyrocket. The first value is one of the most important for getting started, and that is commitment. When you're committed to improving, when you've committed yourself to being a pen spinner, that's when your practice takes a whole other level. You'll probably give up halfway through. Right when things get a little too hard, you're more than likely to stop going and push through. It's only beyond the hard parts where actual improvement takes place. After a while, your motivation to stay committed may diminish, and that's where the second value comes in. The second value is consistency. Motivation is temporary. Consistency is not. If you have the first value but not the second, then you may be super motivated to practice and improve for a while, but when that spark dies, you die with it and crash and burn. While you need commitment to push through the immediate hard parts, you need consistency to push through the hard times. Those long periods of not wanting to practice and barely seeing any improvement. During those times, you need to stick with your routine. Quit? Is that word actually in your dictionary? Not yours, and it's never gonna be if you truly want to succeed with consistency, because you show up no matter what. You put in the hard work no matter how you feel. The last value ties with the rest together, and that is community. Without the help of others, we would all still be in the Stone Age. As Isaac Newton once said, "If I had seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." This means he uses the understanding of previous thinkers from the past to skyrocket his current success. Implement this in pen spinning by joining groups and asking for help. I'm probably the guy that asks the most questions about notation, and now I'm known as one of the most reputable notation nerds in the pen spinning community. The fastest way you can improve yourself is by joining a community. The main place for pen spinning as of late 2023 is Discord, and it will probably stay that way for at least a couple years. In the description, I've listed some of the most common Discord communities, some of which include the Workshop, the Pen Spinning Reddit server, International Pen Modding Community, Fen Spinner, Planet, and Spindies. If you have a question, you can search in the Discord search bar to see if it's been answered, or just reading past conversations can be very useful for improving your general knowledge. Let me know if there's anything you think I missed, and if you have any future ideas for videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.